yeah, you see nose mask. Nose mask is there, they are outside. So when you see a man who say one, you see. So even if there's supposed to be a law to punish you, we can punish you because when we see you walking without nose mask, we can easily arrest you. But for condom, dear, inside prevention, how can we know that you don't use condom? And the only way we get to know that you are not using condom is the numbers going up. So say I go chemical shop, ladies won't drop any contraceptives apart from postman. Beman so won't drop medication apart from aphrodisiac. Yes, now what aphrodisiac over there? Over there, aha, it's not easy. It's not easy. Aha, what you say, HIV area. And I'm finding serious. For 5 months from January to May, over 1,145. So when municipal alone, you have 222 people positive. So when municipal alone.
That you, yeah, but you, I don't cry or what. You have some check here who know.
Exactly so. Exactly so.
But Mr. Babile, Mamusa, we say, Osha Ghana, Hedina. Age range in your net age, na say, pa
15 to 25.
15 to 25 years.
Yes.
15, age 15.
15, 15, age 15.
Hey.
To 25. That is our worry because that is the reproductive age group.
15 to 25 years.
15 to 25 years.
Wow.
That is the reproductive age group. SHS, any university or any JSF.
Yes.
So many municipal area, NIPA 222. We break up. NIPA 184. Germans 126. Wenchi 119. Time 112. I mean, the list is Banda, which is 7 new HIV cases. The list is Banda 7.
Say no, anti-ya say patients ni be complaining say antiretroviral drugs no say be new.
No, I know correct. Antiretroviral say they won't say minimum stock level.
I know no.
Minimum stock level. I just say treat all policy. And that differentiated service delivery. I tell you, differentiated service delivery. I said, Omuba Hospital, you're more 6 months ago. And the whole year you come to the facility only 2 times.
Oh, okay.
But say, I be able to, and you say, until provider, but the stock level echo down. Instead of giving them 6 months, you give 3 months.
Instead of 6 months, dear no.
Then woman 3 months, no more complain. Say, so you say until provider and you
can you pardon your stress or bad now? Quadi says no to a baby. Not the second phase. Said by a home who be man for hospitality.
Stigma, no stigma. MTM Penisa, which is 6 months.
Now, stigma, that's all. Minimum says education can be every day.
Oh, stigma, that's all. About 70% of people say when you interact with them, they say, no, I will not eat with person living with HIV.
Hey.
And now, auto, so it's still there. The stigma level is very high. It's very high. Meanwhile, we have serious conditions than HIV. Yes, for HIV, you can share, you can hug. The only way you can get HIV is through unprotected sex with an infected person. That is a majority because almost 95% of our HIV infections are through unprotected sex.
Bambila, yes, I say we are more kind of mass is a monk of form funny who be because you can hug, you can share. There are other diseases. I hear who cry. Anything I want you to say about say who know a woman neighbor from. Confess it, first in who.
Yeah, you see, you see, first, you not antiretroviral and shut down me. But medication is there. Medication is so free. Free. Those days, around 2000, year 2000 side, medication is shut down me.
Around 2000,
yes, around 2000, 2005. And medication is shut down me. When you HIV affect you, papa. But medication war and then you come up because a day, the whole day, we were only one, just one tablet. Just one tablet because first you know 3 tablets.
3 tablets, yes.
But a single tablet
a day.
A day, just take 1 tablet. That is all. A day, you just about anyone. So this one. So hypertension, set the other group. With the diabetes, we say we every day. Now they have HIV there a problem. Here na hypertension, any diabetes and those who talk.
We're free.
They're free, but when they're free. So what they will name what depend on living with HIV. Let's accept them.
Mr. Bambile,
yes.
Any pa enya bi anyone or beji aduro na rating it say.
Yes, it's doing well. It's not bad, but people still only pay medication. Na medication enya compulsory.
Enya compulsory.
No, enya compulsory. Say testing now see we fight for it to me for so.
I know there.
It to me for so. Enti people bebre
hey, but se wo hwe 2000 na enro ni sheded you want say ajame adumro na ba the rate of death then so to say
that's not a cough.
Okay,
yes, drastically a cough pa. Unless those who just want to die with HIV. Once you are on medication, so far you correctly and consistently because it did just consistently and don't buy tobacco. We just have 6 months and this is maximum 6 months to be attain virus suppression. So in the virus suppression which say one of the from to undetectable level. Sad time crowd shout na you have unprotected sexual transmitted virus.
Hey sir.
Yes. Oh, going to make until you see antiretroviral as prevention. So those who are living with the virus, no more fight very year, no more attaining virus suppression. To transmit the virus. No.
Oh, okay.
Yes, we found no collab, no test it, only virus.
Hey,
there is only target not detected.
Oh, I don't know Madrid.
And in fact,
now I then say I be 15 to 25 years because I worry.
Majority. Otherwise, all the age groups we have people, positive people are there. All the age group, but majority, 15 to 25, no, is majority. But otherwise, HIV is universal. It cuts across all the age groups. Yes.
Serious.
Very, very.
Mr. Wambila, na say Ghana nyina chat no, say mekaya na nkran ne Kumasi ne dikan asesa.
In terms of HIV,
I active or more manya bipa in total.
Yes. Yes. In terms of numbers, Ashanti region, Greater Accra and Edikan followed by Ashanti region. More population followed by Eastern region. In terms of numbers, there, big towns, regions, but in terms of prevalence in here, the rate of spread in Bono region. Bono region is number one. Yes, when you say you're calculating based on the population. So far, your population, not Ashanti region population, say Ashanti region. I mean, so as compared to Bono region. So Bono region, we are not all that many, but the rate of spread, is high. It's high. So both them will not boy by massa in the near future. And majority of people will be living with HIV. Yes.
Kamambila, anope interviews in the doors, mame fonsia na bibi ba besa di komo.
I'm sure. Okay.
Yera Ahmed Ibrahim Bambila na ti se yene no edi komo. Ghana is commission ono odru bi e ho abo adwuma gidigidi wadre anope na 15 to 25. Why me was a grana beria. Dear Vayolo. I didn't say there. Kevin, what say dear? What say I didn't. Hey! The rate as I say Quadano. Even leaks eba currently. JSS to SS and Uni. Tertiary no. Leaks eba ni nyina leaks eba mechanics are me cheche woni be making. I'm on platform bi so amo se ba ku bia cross me. Akwan de o rekwa JSS o. JSS ni ababa wakitoa bi. Na branch no so rekwa SS o se o se JSS ya bi. Na me say ese de ba bia yakwa akoduru no. As within that age 15 25 no. As a bear fun, sex a bear fun be unprotected sex, a bear fun be our society nim. Tobia or train a bear maso no pe baby de ura. Adan kwada man so ayan kwada bone. Na enyan kwada bone mema. Ti panyini bi kura no ne akwada 15 16 nam. Na media misusu se penfon de man kwada ma no na kwada ma no so di mo age mate enti aje no ha ne abespread no ha cause that say onye sugar daddy be on do betima take care of you onye yomu de onu wadi asen why asen na say on de ti onu de mawa because say onu wari asen no ba bepa obi a onu bere mo ti san wi no mefa akwada oba befa panyi oba onkofa panyi ni bi o befa age mate na bia mu na mu SS ta akwada ba na ko sugar daddy wa kwaje odi amount also abrante be kasa wo mpra ba 2 3 I'm not surprised say age 15 and 25 no e say ho na abegina pa because say dia course no and most you can age within this bracket no and on social media their presence is highly felt. Age 15 25 maximum 30 omu pa na get very active oh socials no so I'm not surprised. I am one. Now I have found to we can tell said a commission no kind no what mean me can Joseph a condom she wa be she condom they say mo kwa e ma no ade a obehu so obu to drugstore no is the enya condom obeto lubricant wa to luba obeto Lydia na postino e mema no so kwa atwichichire na me kotra me nipa bi o ya pharmacy shop small bina the we nipa si run am say na ukra say ha na license chemical shop the one go for buy no say we are let's aphrodisiac bi wa mintimi mbodi then ye mrante gusua hey already na yankopo are any serious o. You can prevent pregnancy, but you can't prevent HIVs or STIs. Very dangerous for all of us. Near the time bomb, so because these are productive age range, age 15, age 25. So age you going to 30, no. At that time they have productive age. And what they know, I'll bet my year, you may be I'll bet my year. A clock you 35 for qua, Massa, why a minute? I know that time now, I'm sure died to you. Sata na be hia ye boaje kum Francis mu no be ho diet mi afei anopa kro peso obedidi e dia be ye wo no nyoma bi wa twuntu free ho so 15 25 30 35 that range no e productive age and so that time ne dey yen wasem that is the time youth ni I say obi atam ne be ma to no kon oje say oje fans ba ku bi amehwe na akra ne na say otim say now for any video say the time kra no omu ye no kwabra ni gira nche video say bi akane de uro obi de ma no asete laptop na abaso webcam ti ona we no atwa enti de check of so okona we laptop na dum na so say green bi aso so a na wo twa say de sa o say de unzo oba na fa camera no asete ni yes ni so oba na o set camera na si ni so be ma ni set a o mam to be so pushi oba be so pushi ba mu ye atra also akodru level say within that age 15 25 no na kwabra ni gira no o twa ba ko se kire ni mali junior kire ni mali am say uradi nyame aboka o kire ni mali at age 15 16 17 che obi mali na akwada wadi 17 no twichichire ti ube una omunde raba chichire ho ana ada ya mu se twichichire ya yare age 15 16 17 18 20 25 30 ultimi mo adwa yi so twichichire and odi 50 over here. It is worrying na kwasi asem ne dogs too much. Kwasi assembly too much. Yo. Gavin, yakwa anra na me say care me as a for so mko gwa na the me wan say in this age just obi bawo fie e montene no crowd dey different no aba be catch you say besro prapra ofie do ofie na no ma se ha me ba e wa fu kakra me buso me se na na ho afu om so yabo spray no bo a eteki time ni nso ato aguso ahon kra na me ho ke kame se afu no mabo spray no kra me ho ke kame ti so obi ba ofie e be catch you say dem me kope ba ko ndi om ko book e me for no dey for we to so dey hwe no yesi den ko mu okay me for ko duro mu se mu ntwebo mu na me nkwa ko ba ko de ade hwe ba ko kra tirim this obi ba ofie be ka kire wo say baller na egu ofie no kofa what is wrong with us? Look at this facility. Share all the video hwe ni pa. Look at this facility. You directly opposite a school. Now school for ne de anya hwe. Because omo ti omo compound anomo Aje compound no. So school ni dia nyehwe o. But look at effector ede bebre wo mu. Sa bola we on hu ni sa no. There have been an MP na kwa akotwitwa ede nsantwafo adi na ti se oba be 2 bola na anu no. Omo ko the media for di na ti gidi pa be 2 bola we. MC de kire gidi. Kwa ko 2 bola no we ane go we Mr. Chroma on. Santa me hwe adwuma na MPs ni bi ya. Na me ra ho say so say no MP ni yedi ni say. As say MP no to me a member of parliament is obi we MP we MC no. Ayere o. Yakwa kodum pempen so bia. Ekwa kodum pempen so bia. Pempen so na ye duro no. Kopesi kabra ni nto abama. This is Ashton. Kura aji dimpa ba ho ha. Na eya wenkwa o. Unwewewewam potamu na. Engura na giagu wasa. That yama reward say. Ahoka lawyer bafo ho. Mention South constituency honorable lawyer bafo nana bafo awu ho. Nebra onenam wa no kohu sa bola we. Me kan so ma kire pa. Ana ofre sub metro ne say. Say di akoso ana anu edin. Eti ebeya nkomu mra me say about 3 or 4 months in edasu go directly opposite 31st school no our Ashtown. Yanyari ana yanyari at the center of town. And the sub metro obumpanyi fon teteke mu aye tofu egum etwam minim dwuma mu kodi. Twam ko basa. To the point say an MP saw this. Friend sub metro no catch him say sika bia mo be hia hwe politics ni nzehuna ye di okroma. Especially when the member of parliament is an MPP and the DC or MC is NDC. So huna sa kronkra de ontimi go because MP kwaya hey DC kwaya hey enti sa skirt and blouse ade na ekoso no ena ma ye hu sanse hu na ekoso. The MP promised them say bibia mu ben yam ya tu ebia because baby egu no directly opposite enkwada suku ti enkwada ya ho no acha 3 weeks be obi obako yare acha omu compound, very nice compound. My school more fair bekra they are me call me who na me bo school for na bas say school is send yes ya acha motima maintain come. You guys are doing well. But the authorities I was sub metro no mi busa sentimu ya na. Ade aye dumping site. Enya say ewura bi ne de akogu ho. Ehwo ye dumping site. And the sub metro is aware say sa Ashton ho baby at 31st school no no omo ya aware say ye de why ye dumping site they are aware. Aro motewo. Irresponsible leadership. Some sub metro ho na uduru wa. Ye one or ye in charge of sanitation. Mote akonya kese obekọ na nsehunu no omu die no mote akonya mu ho. Omu to nkọ omu na nkọ. Ayenka ye mo omu cham so. Na nipa orun so head of the sub metro. Obenya oversight responsibility on kwa de ko. Chair kese ne life akese. And look at what is going on. Now, Makacho say, now say be areas ni bi ache orebe ho. Look at senior ya kwan kamba hwe. Nature school ni fe. This is the school that I was talking about. Nature kwan no senior ya tile so ya kota so a ebunta ho. Nature krom finfini. ya ye dumping site ho amene bua ba kwa nim hwe gata nim look at the gutters gata fia we etinso to sese ya etimi twinwura na de akogu school no ekwan ya no anopa ba wo se head teacher ne nkwada ne ko sese nwura no no msa de akwa akogu ahwa ye dumping site na aka se nso to kakra bi se de to nkran na de bi se ya te ho ne ye hwe han ya te ho ane ye hwe han ya te ho are we okay ya te ho ne ye hwe han and nobody want to say because guys hey but ya kan why na beka say ya kan se hunu ya sabia koso a why na beka na chronimum ponsa and we have someone who is being paid by more brower for the taxpayers money and pe bia fan for kutwa take it to ho nya ye ho dumping site and obi to on concern hwe on sada inis wo chese oju nipa ho a onti nipa ase oju nipa ho a onti nipa ase. This is a responsibility of someone. You have an MP catch or say, Sikabia Mubenya Bia, I will support. And so say, Ego, or can say, Nkwantabisa one day, I grow when you so. But see if you ultimately now buy a tobacco, you are Jumane and you be uncle once. Buy a fair tax, Sikame Chauka. Jama memo soriano petutu en fa hesuemu nyare nsonyunu en kotomo ko tonya adoa emie ntwitwa take it ema mundi en tena kamu eni se hunu ho do that one you not accept it. You will not accept it. Esabola we. The details I have no and then me dey chokene Thursday. Me dey tour. Now I'm giving you 3 weeks acha se sabola we yentua. And some of who you nyama mo ya ohuri na we will tell you, you say it. You ba expose him. And so ne baya amandete ho no. We will let people know. What is this? Ha, head of school no watwa ho kwanye twe. Wapere krampo. And look at what is going on. Huh? Quality school one anum teach about what wasa go bomuja. For every 3 weeks be obi be yaru school. So to crowd ya na west. And so you have a leader. Sub-metro no on our head. I don't want us to say this. Yan can we na ken wakande. Yaba na kama beka ana GDP ana the macros and the micro na enwura si ya hwena no na eku nkofo na makoka the macros and the micros and the kwasi asem sa ani asoreko wa bre enwura eku nipa wati obi no yetofu egu ni kam as the leader, as the head of the sub-metro twam koba obi ohonum star country plan obi ohonum sanitation environment for no Tom Kobasa. And we should let people in Manchester sub-metro know, say, at the end of the course, no, a go money massy. And see, baby, also says Manchester. And see, baby, as a Manchester's out. And see. What? Now, my memory agenda 111. So, Rabbi Akano Crenche, your leaders in Ibio. I can't say, Drew, baby. The priorities as Ghanaians, you have priorities ni. Nigeria, ana mitwitwa agenda 111 ebi becherem. Twa krofo ma de becherem. Echere babia edru. Baby on maka bibi kitikiti ni awie. All over Ghana. Obi funkuma yemfunwa hwe the reason for agenda 111 was brilliant to me. Abino was in a haste, was in a rush, because looking at the timing and time of project, anka possible say nke betime wie na na do Akufo-Addo started this na anka possible say nke betime wie da bibia nsi ho kwan but the truth to be told saa time na yakọ ahuhiehie mu a ame akwa me fra ye hu de ye ho a amanfo be celebrate dokono ne ade o. That was the time you try pay for live that same time. But COVID by na be che nyoma bebre. COVID came to expose Ghana say when it comes to health enye health ninye. So the government of the day decided, okay, region be at least yenya hospital baako ewo ho. After that no district bia enya hospital baako ho. Now it was a fantastic idea to me. Though I don't like the implementation and the strategy they used. Because obia baby bia o assess it and you look at how you betimi aya ade na wie the period what they buy. So Nana Akufo-Addo His Excellency Eba Ashanti West me kai Thursday bi pa twinipa fam pa 5 December 2024 Bokro Ahanta West, sorry. Kopiem ho de ye because that time now happened to be around that area. Ero kaya time His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ebubo mu pa. Seven side omuyi almost starting at the goal no. You should have a face. Yeah, phase 1. Maybe at this area we face it out. We move to the next phase. We move to the next phase until Emredru ya kebewi na kewi. And then okobi wisa kontomra bogoso elubo mpoho nswayem wasadunkwa swame twede sabronum drobonso manson kwanta mem nkwatia kwaben Atiwa West, Edukrom, Achiase, Jumapo, Pong Katamanso, Sefia Sanyoso, Ashamai Polyclinic, Adentai, Obojo Polyclinic, Botiano Polyclinic. About 36. And yes, sa area hodie. At least. Na na do Akufo-Addo buy no omatima ye ho dwuma amna dru baby I be operational. But this agenda 11111 no was another initiative. At least district bia ubenya bi, especially districts are any hospitals go a polyclinic a chip compound and yen upgrading nko a hospital. I don't much say no mujano. Time wo de mind. So you be within this time, you be because election was approaching. Now we also draw no cansem. And that any draw no cansem bebre. When to when you agenda 11 anokoi. Don't forget say agenda 111 and yes kebi near the chair near the babio. This same taxpayers money a Japadia nyamedi ama yourself found go di ade ade bi ne ekeka bom na the common chest ne yi bi ye adwuma e bi okra abosia ne ekoje ye wi taxpayer ha na betu abosia no with interest tenyo obi apapa botom sika enti etimi ka ho asem. Now the akeka on e bi on ma obekọ no iron rods na ekra ho no match as ye wiewia our site ni bi. Because boys in be were picked, say, baby, old mama, you must say, and Tiomuka. Of course, United West, people were complaining. That's honorable Buffalo and it was now wow, call for Preban. Who? As I'm no more rage, a health minister who and Goziaga. And now it happened this way. aban by was it 35 ano babe. Na 35 no, there is no proper plan. There's no exit plan bia ewo mu a kwabra mitaka ndo ko gina parliament kan ye. Ya ka se cabinet approve 35 no. Se ye mehwe ni enye bi yem face ne out so the idea is say omuye we no ma face off no ma we no ma face off me kan no crack just 35 no kra no nyame ampato mu ntimi nwie na 35 no mu kan most of them ye 35 no do mani abu no most of them nyama kitenkete obi o ha sikasem ne contractor no so be hand over obu nyama kiti most of them o ma wie enye bibi bia asonko bia most of them na ye almost complete. And so what people are saying is baby abe makwa kwa uko hu bi and me dia beto so da mo most of them and ya shada go for yes but ya shada choose baby o baby was I na every baby o so mo pa ho to ma ezo so hospital be si na enya adwuma ya kwa kama ya de ya bobo under the day his excellency na do da agufo commission as hospital no we connect security grant what so abai no have to be serious when it comes to health. Me say ya wo 2026 mu 27 28 mu de beboa ya ne say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama enko baby abiem so kwa kopa abato bia enti abi obetima focus on the year 28. But no kwasem say during that 27-28 ni na election party there campaign time it mostly ya na ekosa kwa I don't do that time no kra no MPC ni bebre hu mu parliament obi e kon constituency akoye bibi. And that is how things work. Our Ghana ha ni eja no hwetara sometime ni ekọ. So the American bana kwesi ni say saban we amba ne na ensi forma adabia mebo aban we abaso amebo na ban so the macros and the micros that they are doing well to stabilize your city is not a joke. So who do say you joke and ka ho ka ayebi se city no ye stabilize ne kitwa bi na eje we no makwa cosmetics no ade na manye bi etiane de shut up aban ne ya de tomorrow you find you cry you hu ni face say ya adwuma na I'm happy cause me tomorrow for me kamisu be free tomorrow you find me cause me kamisu that day. So what are we talking about? Aban ya hwe ya on NDC aban we wan hwe ya obewie. He has fine macros and the micros, the indicators are good. Say inflation na cost kakra. Food inflation, epushima inflation cost last month. The one about review of May no, you say kushutu kakra. But no kwasem say, and when this about we because na project bebre afenisi. Because they say no kwa. Sa dia na John Dramani Mahama Excellency be say scatter on scaneta on. Me se kone kohwe. Akwan na wo di toto wo so mo ye no kwane kohwe de covid job wo so o ma stand still speed or di be room na stand still because sika nko the other contractors wo so no I stand still sika nko the big push as I'm making I stand still ejina nko ba bia eden ya market sa dia market na omso mba besim district ya hwe no so be count this agenda na 111 do maja oko and already MPP funds and support even some NDC funds support and the aban obeba so no so be NDC this so be MPP ni no the faith no kra bibi because you are here an affordable housing kofo sha ase sa atam MPP fo be this so mo anko ho NDC anko ho it took the media and people say kasa ya sana ye hu the another phase of it ya hwe ya sa big push 24-hour economy market no bebre ba nwe ne sen o the market bebre ba nwe ne sen because ya carry ade ni gigi na aka nsem me say big push ni kra na mre ho His Excellency say omo the certificate ni bank sika ni ta ho Kobusa contractors no more site no. So what are they suffering from? So apart from the macros and the micros and the GDP and then inflation in your indicators are rise there. Project making said Mama Bab part 1 you terminal 3 money are doing. I run a government to one sheni ya obefeli when it comes to project. Or the sabeke can be brings you who because a trone na da ne dosu. I must tell you the truth. My memo regional minister Abaso. We are not here say yeah babe chastising people just like that. We criticize you constructively. Now no question me woman say regional minister nanum say we are why ade me why ade ameka enko yin so beba be ha be kacho say day and night 24 hours mugu kwan so mu ye kwan na say at least it will be more trouble for say a honbe operational and he's doing very well. He's doing very well. The pictures that I had me akasa me nko ho every weekend in here kwa kofa. But I'm told the information I'm hearing from production enya bad. Ya ko weekend in here and I met my baba kan ho asem. So Dr. Mwakwe, a very good morning to you. Our 21st clinic na make come for the amount. 21st clinic is sciatica, but they are clinic on its own. Clinica abroche foni nyina anim se sciatica die wo de fire hwana no aye betenete Ghana fo nyina aye awe clinic hwe yade bia diabetes pressure ulcer jade ben anye hwe demum se ba sciatica mubuye ka cho se sciatica ne ba de ka cho ne se yade kesie bi ba fa to asi twenwa be kan nantini cho se yade kesie bentihwe huye wan hwe huye bebubu oguo one time. And there are symptoms are actually and the other now on solving in them. And they are not pay bread, that 21st clinic. Yamwao, na yadini na yentu asiakra and famao. You over 15 branches across the country. Kumasi Wesha overseas. Yane Alpha Radio and Bosso Sompa TV Sompa FM was shown no more from Obuasi Council Quarters, Court Junction, Accra, Omo Tantra Hill, Sunya almost Yan Teaching Hospital, Kane Regional Hospital, Mados Abro saying Omne First Gate in the DN Shem Kransa, Yane Children's Park in the Ben so Techimai, and so GM Bank dying that then. Would you afraid? Now baby a bell on your man 0249 311 311 0249 311 311 0540 311 310 540 311 311. The sciatica expert 21st clinic. No. Arapa OCP fertilizer season na drew ho into the whole year day. Yam land na land ni nkoye. Yam farm ram na land ni ya kama. OCP fertilizer there. And one ya don no buy bi to say vegetables. Atosude nyadoa moko jene gardenex ni nyina. Ana fe mu amudua mo ne aburo no unya OCP fertilizer eno de ohia ye OCP fertilizer friend 15 ana say 10 20 10 ana mo amudua legumes no so munya OCP TSP eno ana edi makagina mu anopa bomode a agrochemical shop bia ba bia ton enro efuom nro ne efuom product ko bisa ba bia ton fertilizer ko bisa 055 90 94 37 0345 90 94 37 and 0555 90 94 33 OCP fertilizer anope break na ono so MWOW Tago Herbal Mixture and capsules Tago Herbal Mixture and in the capsules Tago Herbal Mixture and in the capsules anope Tago Herbal Mixture ada MWOW Tago for anope break wo bema so mema sem ni nye ntie fro bema nye dada oda udi no ada dada me fro mi wura because udi no wura etitago eba Mr. se bema de mo ja birujo impotence nyama wo low libido ewo ba na beba mu a eyatago eba Mr. infections ane how ye infections do them kopetago ni bibebo na no problem say you adrupa ewo baby drugstore pharmacy shop herbal shop 0243 228296 0243 228296 Tago Herbal Mixture Adronie Anope RSYD Novigi Studios. RSYD Novigi Studios. Awon Kran. Malama Biase First Kukroko Street. For 057 471 778 057 471 5778 and 030 397 4822. Now RSYD Novigi Studios. Ewo fonyini fua ona wotwa mfonyini papa video papa uyo musical video film na person produce ope studio obeye te say Hollywood kwa edu ra obekuzo obi na mwiem so dem na ye hwa ne ye no ye wo studio ne cameras a eni da ho puzzles no eni da ho sa so ye ho handlers omo mu twa na nkasa ne professionals a oma beni mu ye enti anope kwai na RSYD Novigi Studios awon kran de na so Malama Biase First Kukroko Street Ghana ha be bia be free bia ye no ebedinsa wo so Roman Father na drone Father Martin Aba Mesha anopensa oho body pains hututu ana wa ye better Roman Father na drone Roman Father na drone when am I tichiti stroke ana achewo pressure and diabetes yade aye kwanko yay Father Martin Zeba Mr. Roman Father Dronona ejo for 0247919122 0247919122 and 0552668517 and say na Ken yari me many people boy yeah say no ho den o chebongre sitai juma na ho bre na manto amana mo bete memenda ya kwoto aba no sunyane east omoto aba na enyeyi ade do muto aba na enyeyi ebi mo de tabo akwa akoto so interlocutory injunction akoto so na Maxwell Mahama na okwo east yani is secretary na ese veti ni mwa gofo timze chaskele ni abon wato baby sa na dia na mo se me qualify as a crash kofie ko pe baby da o mo se dabi asem yete ase a enyeyi yete ase enyeyi enti sa dia yeso ye kwa ko penchire mu ye bazo ba ma no pe ma chimira
Uwa me so
na epom te so panyin
papa bibia na page bibia boko nyame amaye ade Akye nje ebe nyame ase
ye do bo ade ase we ye ya wunkrata free the judicial service na saman sunyani east abato a nyame bo akaminim se memenda ya ebaso numu ana de mota kan wire law student ya enche kura wo bafia me adi ususkei yasemu de interlocutory injunction akwakoto so wo ne abranche ba akwa friend Prince Beidu worry na asem na nkasa de asem
Ila simefa kwenye sema kichawa chifu niyo. Na asemu yawa. Asemu tiawa nina enise. Courtwa ewo sunyane high court. High court 2 to be precise. Ene dita po ati ya nudisem ena wadita po akoto anaza ato sunyane is abato na. Dayele se beto no. Menida. No, Zinsia, Mamma J. Eti Yasemi Yadin, Odita, Bo Empling, Ecotosu, na anything. Now, make a thing here, and for you disqualify me. Party be according to what say. Out of 4 Congo from good name from Saba. Na the thing na ne say ebra na party ye hihye say enko betting ana me call betting ni ebru betting dem wono na penifo to bekunya ana wo mu mama kwaba na me ji won so in fact ebi kan e ya basobo on bo ma baso say ne na so ama but the bisa say they my kuinu bo ma baso yi mama kuyi ama kuono etumpon ndio adie boni bia ebisu nemo ebia odi yewra amya temaki ana atreka amya chame former member of 15 years and now baba ulusuye na abante ni kire say madidi owura me atem madidi na tem and me kwara man to about 2024 nje abante ben ya no me so abante no ye fe ni sex kudu na me so no na abante no ohe waba ha di ana ana mo si no nka ta ne don wo mo me so okay enka ta ni mo fa to the party ID card e ka ho ana an so the party ID card kan on fa ID card kan na the party picture bi kwa kan ho picture don fa ID card the passport picture ke na mahu se o ni se de bi so okay na bele ni ya won fa tanka ta wu enka ho de na mahu se abante obi na actors ha on so ni ya no so okay ni na mentwe na mon kai tinkan ka ta no emu asem ense njo tinkan ka ta ni mo asem tie me na e family wo ka se onu kwa o video na o odi o wa o di be dia o na asem no kwa e be twatia mo video no kan kire me Nkwantabisa me kamenu mi no e be sinde video no ma mo kire me mo audio no kire me audio no so a wona ma na me so okay ene mo me copy sa di ma copy na me so me ko steady na me fa anuye o se ta na me so okay pese me twima di sisu fe yen kuo no ye de mamra ene chichiri kuo no na mamra no ka ta fa so nine no eche afunidie ene be a o se obi edi na sem ko da pini for bra nipa ni susu se obi ayeboni o ye fa me grievance and disciplinary procedure. Into the person who said, the M4 obi action cut him for about the dime one. Mummy to me, that assembly can do. That Mummy ad hoc committee, some vetting committee, Mummy disciplinary committee. There is a preliminary objection. So, Sanimo in Yaki. Now, Marconia, now, Banton, something for done, disciplinary committee. Now, na mummies titi na na post exam ana na na ko na ono so exam no the stress actually o almost ja no me okay okay mature madidi ora me ya chema ten ora me ya chemi o ye MP for 16 years and some ye to abetia no de to so mi no ora am ya chemi o kuma sunyane ha owi o ye no ye nimpo a wadi close to 30 years at the back so say almost say madina na onu so twaka ta dia be da mo ana almost lady na me so onu twaka ta dia me da mo a nti obi mo na ye kate madidi na tem no say no say kwam we no na ndi me kate mo dia se musu tumini time say mo dira ta se mo ya abante we a waka mu no na musu dina ya mabu atentia nti be srema da umma asem nkonko musu yi abante ya pe na soro kwai me ko ya 10 o'clock ba ya na what's that for say that disqualified abra committee no fa enqualified to be yeah disqualified musu okay anyway no free wa party this is I want to be here say oboko ai regional appeals committee me call regional appeals committee na regional appeals committee no na me asem ko da wo say bo asem wa on the new nka me ko ya ora me asem na asem na asem no on the yes am na me papa wo tra asem su ya enyeji tan se on timi nye judge e wo wan kasa wo se musa na me tro ka ta ko da mpanyifo na mpanyifo ma o sorry free so na two probate na so ko ni be tax ma ye ko ya nipa na o tro ka ta de fa no wa ma enkra ta ni so kwa na mini copies na de de course for this state one and as me consent one and no be na airport accident 24 na ma say asem wa di na sai wa chi no asem no eto ndi me sra fa ko na no so bu enya bi next appeals committee require a report and MCA and no government who said me default and I said no every airport no national and I may appeal to National Screening Committee. National Screening Committee so and friendly and Miss Army Tree and women dinner so and the court to stay. I think she'll be up so young FM. That's how man really that's what I did. That's work as them Abraham that's a correct and turn a woman into the court to cabin. Nkwantabisa and when they did swap court no 18 yen pepe another tabo up to swap a good swap you can. My said another to be a buru. Min classing mo be the classing being fun to me. And people be a lawyer. And people could be a lawyer. The way you need a lawyer. The way capital need a lawyer. The son no do a lawyer. Obey Masemka. The Sabi, the man who could be doing some Madina Tem. Some Madina, Nipa, Mumanda, Juma, Amman Pain. Now, every department known and interview me. The Mayor Juma, my Yuga, Buano. Now, come to 16 years, when they are MPR. What we know, what I say, who brother, a japo. Remember, Susan, one of the Afro. So, must have ability as a check. But we can pay a money. Programs are catastrophic programs. This university program, when I'm watching the same, someone more. Me, not that. Not only should do things. And yet, you said, yeah, nobody that. But I said, no, and she took a concert. Not even granted that admission. There are 10 years before swap. And many, and after many passing one. Now, it's a cool one. And I never chairman or acting. And I didn't cut about thing. So, Obi or no quano, yes, suspended. Obia or no so quano, or independent of what's happened. Then you were partly got in the space of reconciliation. Okay, a banishing, and now, Obi Susu said, Minute enough fine, another minute no and minimum, Mania Guinea, until or track at the other one, and for Quamunet, they could must feel. Now, minute come up for, they come up for any as a Libya. Now, young Kuano Tre, and my mother, a little Kuano Tre to say, there's a wood nap and tell me, oh, Kuani one, over to me for court, I'm a court, after telling me any amount. It must be fast, she says so, but be fast to Marso and the name court one. They cut it, what I say, court and cabin. Now, Mr. Party 24. Then you cut it to Kunta. But I bet I so the man know 137 seats and 88 women to cry, you know. And nearby, course, so and nobody shall pay him because or somebody on Mataji album, no, a could be Daniel and an air costume. Because you look at you, committee members or every committee members, and the air. And me, IT coordinator and me, research officer. I Jimmy. Jimmy say, I'm and the way. As by conscience secretary, now I'm like I Oba. Then on WhatsApp, now Sandra man the cry, the two about 10 or I think or sign a buy. Look at that. Don't be everywhere till the company for. Get around me up to the system. A chair and a yet Amma and may then lose Susan is city that own them one. Or percent or stand by being. Now, or bar, Masobama near it. Very much. All these things are muted issues and not a chronic chile and also. But the most part is 24. Then you know, the day, there were only so to 1%, then 5% plus 1. And then it's now, no younger, and I'm 33,000 votes, and 1%. This is a vote to do the other is here upon a dorsal. na sɛ yɛnsiesie yɛn ho anka yɛn ho ammom ayɛ baako amma yɛn ho anyɛ akono a yɛyɛ dɛn ɛna yɛtumi atu ɛbɛyɛ den nkɔsɛ bi dɛma meka sɛ baako nkyerɛ wo sɛ nipo nyinara koraa no yɛka yɛn ho bɔ mu a yɛyɛ nko a yɛntumi nwini aba ɛyɛ 2028 yɛnko a yɛntumi nwini sɛ mpapamu so ɛbɛyɛ nsɛm a ɛno kɔ ne dɛ sɛ yɛahyɛ no koraa yɛntumi nwini saa nneɛma mmienu wɔ baako so ɛwɔ mfasoɔ mfasoɔ ɛwɔ baako so ne sɛ yɛka yɛn ho bɔ mu na yɛntumi nwini aba ɛno mfasoɔ ɛwɔ so ne sɛ yɛho bɛyɛ kono kuma obi a ɔtɛnkyɛn na adeɛ ne ntantan ɔde ne ho bɛba abɛdɔn yɛn na sɛ yɛgya nnipa baako bi mmienu bi te sɛ ɔwura me yɛatrɛ me na wɔde MP 16 years ɔmpɛ ne bɛɛde nti a ɔsɛ da ɔkɔtɔ kɔtan ɛba bienu ɔtunta dua fi di no mu adeɛ no mu a na nkuo no bɛyɛ dɛn yɛtena fi bɔn akɔ yɛn nim
nti sɛ krataa no ɔmo asɛvo party no
bato ane ɛsɛvo yɛyɛ de di a
election no nkɛ ɛba so memenda nyɛ saa
bato ane
and as it stands now there na je say memenda abato bi amaso osunyane east
that is the expectation and that is the order of the court in fact sometimes the language of the court now the court no order now okay it is hereby ordered the parties in the electoral commission and the NPP as party parties now say omo assign agent representatives and now say almost suspected the media almost me organize election. That is the order of the court. That is the order of the court. Now no me will say yes the entity follow the constitutionalism law constitutionalism are not all can now exercise. We could more subservient to the constitution and there are limitations on it. There are limitations on the powers of the Constitution. Mr. Court, yes, superior court, high court, and inferior court, and that's a lower court, and the superior court.
And he says, no, Krata Babonting said you're opposite through a process, you know, from regional to national. National, ne regional, be answered free.
Regional, the call, yeah, they say. Oramia, Equia Chapter, Chocata Chena, and Copono Capital, someone was doing a seven Munchi, they had called national. I'm a Montanian Captain between me and called national. That's also
Arawabia chairman, a chairperson for committee.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Like how?
Okay.
Like how?
You thought it is.
Sa no mo ya no ba bia na se former MP on the head the committee no.
Me ya me send the committees na omote ye no reach bia de me send the amount. Me send the reach bia the amount.
Because the conflict of interest is too much.
Absolutely. So it's a political orchestration, machination. Just to make sure that for this year only I'm actually and now doing the mafia. No, you to do it.
All right.
Mr. Party 24. Mr. Party 24. The baby and look. Let's step out and say for that. This minister may prep a position made in, the delegates, our constituency. My paper delegates were ready. Now, I'm going to Obama me, our area national. And not a man read up of a delegate of Betty Bonnet and Betty is the one who do that. It is the party that suffers. It is that suffers. But that is with the greatest respect. And then I injustice, a mass, a wickedness, a political mafia, a machination, very condemnable, unjustifiable. Anyone is also a young queen. It is very surprising. And you know, I want to say.
All right.
This so. Don't Dr. Bassam there. Don't Dr. President of the Republic. I said, you are echo so better.
I think Yanya the clear picture of what this summoned or an injunction intend to do. na yanso yebe ready din komo of course afei na asha ase yebe ko so ato aso din komo yehwe what to the outcome from the party say bi o mbe from and then so ye ene ya wada e chini fie yehwe de ebesi yebe din komo nti de ebesi bi ebe sa afro. All right yamra fie na ora ken atena se na anopai oginam e de ama the New Patriotic Party. In fact oko menhia nofa ono ana eginam asobi a ope eye communication ewo menhia north anopai ken marche
ya minua panyi na ohuna mu tesei
obo ade adom ho ye pa wona na onti akosese tesei
o awrade adom ne mompai bo ne kani ahweyi and mamemo oni uku na baso especially the morning show from a producer wa umu awutidwom and ne ku ni nyina no at least the kind of care checking up no crowd was in his station bia na okọ yare the host himself no now obese who born dog no afafo abusa so won say but you've really shown intina there be asompa mo ba bia kra na na efrem ya whoever is online I'll cancel it bedase ne sisa akonya na aja me hododo mi a
ti mo dia me nda de mbeto aba no
debi
yento
the omni say abrantie bi say party no e constituency ni na ni yi enti ensem ni nyina ne se odi akodan court na ye de ne de na notice anke e be koso atimi ato because release national de by Ashanti region e kwada so ne Efija Sechi East. These are the two constituencies but ye boom ran near Jim Ready you decided so okay ye ma court process no
abacha no according position
no call I think was polling station secretary.
Oh,
polling station mom. Oni mi pa mi nsebi. Enom de call court se court enkema na. Omususu say kwan ya fa so disqualify o enye kwan pa. Na won say nsem wo court a wontimi enka ne kese bet on the face of the pink sheet no bet maga say bia say watare kama ehye we original. Na ibetwa picture na send out towards no na atare no. So no share space be na won share space e wo picture na what of fefe atwa so watch abodin ebo we is almost be $3,000 na e be na watch
no we bo me be dey abo me watch nko 3,000
me 1,005 man ka 3,000
1,005 e asem gidwa
oh na say we hu obi a okoye ne maame na asew ayi enye ne papa yi
me so ye
o se me mo obi edi
mesero
sir okay me pa cho mate eti you better radias radio on the 16th
okay
on the 16th na court say rana yemiti was all paying junction onipa miensa na paying junction enti no court say on the 16th no yemra na yemiti so the injunction be mana na say on farm no but kebeti makoso
what dey say notice
notice but
no
notice but you person adi buo ma court no
and yeah
you person adi buo ma
any nipa no dey asem no so call
oh there be unim e court but I saw election say me cash wa umode bo ma ba so ne menuanum central for ne adwumade amoye maami o bakra na unim say election awuko idie we say election day obi ko wura boss mu kra na adwen susa na mom enema ne adogu akwam ni kire say election we die e for conclusion enti the make can say ono ye show on the face of pink sheet na ye die yenim say ye wasem asem ne but the honors lies on the justices the hint you know yenya mo say court
also yes strategy say basa also yes smart na dia agidi
na tuunim way there me hu no we dey say nyakode we say omo pese omo afenu pese omo fa so no omo delay on say 1 month omo susu say tama no omo MP wo MP dada no wo mu de odidi ye na ye de court sa na edi nkunim enti say ye ama no ho anto no so be fa so but oma camp no kra bo ofu because enyema ye digu akwan mu no first in the history of mention not elections. Yanti choka day wom di. Yeah, constituency executives. Jama polling station for some amonya madi. Into a say netie, yakotoaba kama. Omo ko onu post omo ko contest you we clean sheet and me the coordinator squad here every but okay. At least the woman so me that's me
and the 16th you better
yes
Krobia adopɛ match
you say bro when ba
Krobia Asante ejinamu ediama the National Democratic Congress na kane no eminua pa was na me na na ye adwuma sese die o NDC amonyoko ni probably Abia you find it.
And you mischief. And you mischief. Oh, sir. And you Krobia is a household brand. For quite a long time. Yeah. Almost 2 decades in radio. Starting from reporting to presenting to others. So it's a household name.
Yeah, and as I said, the about NDC whole name.
Sure. In life. Radio for certainly yes. Radio for me now baby abu. Oh certainly yes. Why? So Ababato. As a good citizen
time of 30 seconds. I'm say Sompa Nkwantabisa Nkwana for now only the name so how. Most of the radio stations wey na hey, but me when you there show many man. Their presentation on BBI tells you part of what here
a national youth organizer Mogum. I know you say your party in there yala. I don't make no way say your party in yala.
But there is a zone. But the can say in as much as we are good citizens, now we uphold the values and the moral of this country, you know. You say when you Jehovah Witness, I'm there for one reason or the other. Per omo doctrine no emo kwamo so mo to abano. Once you're a good citizen, you vote. Okay. And where you cast your vote, one day you can choose to, align.
But no be obu say obu on to abanko baby fa ko. Or share
yes. In as much as you cast a vote, but what I'm saying is that in as much as you cast a vote, so to my MPP, so to my NDC, once you vote for a particular party, at what time, one day you can choose to align with them. Yeah. Are you getting it?
Fundamental human right. You're right.
No matter about my MPP severally. In fact, at that time I sat in your studio because my MPP Juma. Near Fleck will be done Buzia Dumbo Club. I rushed through the ranks. Maybe Mr. Tifu Frost, just a member. Maybe youth organizer, men make kind of a bomb penny for me, or Henbako Finti Monet, and maybe Europe could be money. Many women, I sat them here very young. Many about 20 years, and I was active, very active. Minanamu sat up, baby, at the hour, I almost do me a bra. Never a
branding now, they are copy and
I keep saying, he said, yes, MPP. No, listen, sir, baby, I do MPP for Albania, but we can even discuss them. And your problem here, MPP victimization, no, and also too much. Let me tell you, let me catch me draw. And your meme experience is what I'm telling you. Now, this gentleman, Maxwell Mahama, yeah. Me will read you, no one guy, friend of much what, or because I'm MPP, Maxwell Mahama. I know him very well. Now he's on radio and on TV speaking that the party is victimizing him. And me, the reason why me shift to call NDC in 2010, 2011. Yewura Mahama Edemeko US Sabre as a journalist or your campaign no Satan Fox FM mia me din na chi ebo aye adwuma as a journalist and papa you come reach lunch my first coup d'etat book and was Krobia me yenko and mo apel visa ma me na me di achiri ekoye madwuma sensentroni ni when I returned and one
na say kai
that kai o tie victimization me ma say ka we MPP ni no ye ma down for
ti ko ba ye no
mo free America
say o kra wo ba bia wo
exactly and do you we MPP ni edi nkomo
ro be ye
we ndi nkomo we ya pe MPP for me twesi aka chen say na dey ntira we edi nkomo yen this ni dindindin nti so I don't for no ka na nipa na bisa me even top managers who do public positions manim na me nuanum biom ye me nafofo enei enyina ye me nafofo e twuku me se me yen this ni
because where do
I me did your mama check complete 2010
and I said
last year
na mama nkwai
said you be house me nkono
e ho na me
I also a political party omo ideologies me feel say me de mo ko dwon I beboa so if we are talking about victimization in MPP meaning enye say be say enye so de wa ba wo tuyi and I also want to obi de court victimization
Bobby I think you yeah share me yanko o be can do say no
ayi we ba ko central ni e be on do say dem very frank champion
okay
kuma see the name is very common okay. last week Thursday I think I said many week and Ofrim oh the be as our number I check him start every day I post him okay. Because he's a brother, he's a friend, everything me name Ejuma of folks several years me name Nefro ko Metro and I'm in Nefro by Sika FM and your best can me say go back to Metro and on no be producer or boss FM e ma Kofi Apia ne omo show no me o Kofi Apia say workers been okay of Kofi Apia well Ofrim enti we fa kwanya so mo na yire abawa ne ma ene na busu nyina yako why ene na busu afo nyina yako
what's your friend saying
Frank Champon me the number be send ne picture be send so sad
very sad
44 45 years
nyame ncheche busu ne
yes
no funny
ene ene century ni ba kokko
all right
enti
Kwame Nkwantabisa Minister for Health or say cabinet akwatena se na right now on agenda 111 project no mo facing it off ti ombe sha 35 no mo ko manim omo hu hawa ombe ye ni nyina ho adwuma kakra facing off brofo ehfa ne ye sha ase free ehfa ne de kwa akwowie the roadmap for agenda 111 clearly say these are questions are among for Ebusa. Do you think say Aban is ready to work on agenda 111 as a whole?
Obviously yes, and the reason is that agenda 111, the least said about it the better. It's a tried knowledge. It will be any how the MPP mess it up. The idea for agenda 111 was a fantastic one. Me Ghana ni na me wayire wo ma na me wabusua na me wadofo empo matamfo nyina so to speak se me obia yare a obekọ hospital and idea ba ko me feel say obi wishing for even the enemy say oyare pa na wo na hospital any ho e bia hospital ho na wo nya e bia emergency treatment bia that person will live maybe some years to come as an obekwa. In the agenda 111 from the word go is something I have supported with everything. But MPP deliberately, either is deliberate or not, and to me I operationalize it 1 out of 110 proposed agenda 111 or the year did the Wagana Yinano MPP exiting power in 2025 January 7th. You Roman Penny take over John Dramani Mama, His Excellency. MPP couldn't operationalize 1 out of 111 hospitals. Even Babia, Yura or Mampany, Yabato, Baby, or Dylan Cruiser, man notice be a dear Mikaku facility Nenim Kujina Hokucha Momono. Even as at today, for a military hospital. Please go there. So one equipment to create absolutely nothing. Nankampacho facility there. A boom pa, ye a hospital pa, ye juma womb, at the ho, at the Chakataki BBR, enti ansana facility pa yesi ye bieno, or Baconabia patients crowd. There's this man, if I know, Dr. Frank J. Okay. Or your little agent, Kasipa, Ashanti Regia, was in hospital. Facility, come pa, Edema, tech hospital yewura asantehene sabre ye maame Dixon so ye vice chancellor and na yewura ko Frank the guy name ye ko Frank but the deeper Dr. Frank Eji okay ono nyina kan wa yenso ye kan ho a yewura hot lotteries some nana some nhia mu nyina kan wa ye ko ye no the facility was working at the time nipa nyina go ho patients crowd the facility nim and yewura santehene ekobie ano and ye nyina ye di akire ko ye inspection. But in the case of MPP, in relation to Agenda 111, Minia, Baku pay, even baby almost 30 earlier, area, Honumpuna, Chadie, to be precise, area Okrano was not operational. And the MPP, yes, Obianka Somanya Bibi, Omiya baby, or 35%, baby, or 5%, baby, or 2%, baby, 40%, baby, 30%. A government is a continuation. Until Abai, John Mahama Abai say, you bet me, you face it off, but you say, you follow a bit by bit. So the young says, Abai say, Mahu debate me a funded 10. And you may yet 10. No one will say, you know, nurses for a tiffy, doctor for a tiffy, cleaners on before homo. Caterers a wofie any nipa bebre aye adwuma facility ambulance drivers security and a lab for we at least you betimi afa bia koho aban eka we a menya sure so waka bone but in this case per your own narrations aban say or tackle 35 now one make sure that the 35 will be operational and tiene okwa afaria yewura obakai say health minister eba otumfo ho oka for yasem obakaya abranti governors Kwame Nkwantabisa highway minister ba oka say afari it's almost done akoye ko wonyina nye sana akora mate entimu hwenye kwan no to otumfo asem okan any minister a pledge or the mayor on behalf of government and they repacho ko ho obo say machines kofido badawroma machines guwa afari ekwan no mesi afari ke friend say Sawia regional hospital no ekwan yemienu ye obako tu wura ye friend say esleso eko aputoja utimi wura sa to krom kosi hospital twai and ye what ye offer Sawia kwan no enso kosi hon mu twai ni nyina kofido badawroma contractors wo so a omo adwo akasom di 040 beguso na for mo de asphalt atoso Abai say by close of this year, Afari they will operationalize it. Sawia they will operationalize it. Chedia they will operationalize it. A part of the 35. Other ones be now award various levels of completion. Abai say obey. So me my hope and prayer and say Abai able to me and yeska. Na at least 35 for no. Even the me position say even sa 2.5 years aye wuro mampanyini wo edi eso baeziti aban yako sanse wono to no twese uncontested biem unconstitutional enti ono ansa no be compare aban mu so timi wiye 35 out of 111 no na NDC aban nyamenja ya domine se etra so biem na aban foforo baso no so betimi aye even 35 not just out of 111 no you 70 in our creditor. Why not? I am happy. Let me make us say aside the political profit Abia Wujina Chebe who say NDC ya omubenyano way beyond that enipa yaria ombenya yareshe and nurse certificate defense facility if you emu 35 na facility be about me for nurses, doctors, other health professionals, cleaners, security. Your friend say, or more directly on the road. I know what my yard for, or more medin and your mobility about table tunton. If a baby, I never say, if I work as bad 300 cry near the time say Makumaku 35 facility be a case with my four workers. This is for a military hospital, this is a regional hospital, but my four staff more than 1,000. I am happy as a Ghanaian. And I make us beyond the political profit. I'm happy as a Ghanaian. One to create employment. 2 obi benya ayarehwe 3 ebetimi aboma yesika se obi yare de be kwabrocha kwwe no ni nyina be ka oman so mimpa ya ne se aban betimi raise enough resources na aban no tumi dia ye MPP dia they messed up but notwithstanding the idea alone so umbesi agenda 111 and you see I listened to Dr. Ade Kennedy and all say the idea MPP Nyayen was a solid one, especially in the Ashanti region where a almost political stronghold. No second people for to be struggler, at least Afari, Kadia, at least we are this three, money operational, because it's so disgusting that you had the contractor or Syria. Yeah. Oman panyin akufo do dem kakutwa ekokate sword we se we enkoyi operation no na stethoscope kra doctor de be send kom e be adwuma ne bo emu 200 Ghana na e bi nse ho owie ye na owie kro ni be 1 week
say more of road
o say
e kwan no na I think
bibi wo your criminal facilities bebre kwa ye de facility okra je but still any part to tom ko she ni wo and don't be so catch them say light and it's a light or and in o say what I see and to ya na light to any hospital then why adwuma but the American say everywhere on panyin ekokati so do in less than a week contractor or so we say me wie so
me da say me wie so Ken that was an initiative. They're very brilliant. The idea behind, but I'm for being said you were in a haste. Manya Jumapa.
Minya, my men Sanchez for no pain. Minya Crobby Casano. And yen some okay, Nina, Naomi, the intimacy so no soon you dean said you me dean tea no, send a bay the viewers no, be who say NDC are troll. Betina radio so ha on mini TV a no me NDC bobre se ye ka obi a wodwen wo man ho ye a amanyoku a eboa edwen wo man ho ye the New Patriotic Party mini say ya nyehwe wa Ashanti region any problem me musa mini akrobia say onche me hospital ba ko mo si sha ase wa Ashanti region o mo wie hospital ba ko a NDC Shase wa Ashanti region ewiye ebini ho nanso mo hospitals a NDC a omo se na ye MPP for sabi ye nwini pa ho ye mambofo ye nya de omo hospital omo abande ye be wie hospital ni okotopa district hospital a NDC shase omo wie ye ene be wie Asante Achi municipal hospital NDC shase omo ko na 3% ye ene be wie oko konongo nso a ewo konongo osako 10 district nso a ensoko esebin ketia krum sa time sa hospital si NDC atwia ho sika de ma contractor e ma ni di o ma anya ye ba en ye dwi nipa ho nti no ye complete o mo kire single hospital NDC sorry adabia no mo bo MPP Ashanti region tiri so ye nya de single hospital o mo sha ase wa Ashanti region mo wi ebi no then so o mo de o mo ja ho ni be wi anya bia obi akọ swami obi anko swami you de ye nya hwe wa Ashanti region obi anko swami enko hospital a MPP hwe ase yesi ye wieye hwe de bia me kanya minya kwanya tra afidikase so odi a me kyerɛkyerɛ ye nuanom se ne sitie munni opposition o mu wa ban mu because NDC a double standard part me enye me wanwa say mahamaka ne my first coup d'etat ko bia ko obi ko America ko lanche ya obaye was MPP minya MPT papa enu nti okoye eye obi ade politics de wom no na mu busa ne say mahamaka page 19 was a eduru ba bia decision why confused me bo mu say any book man oko America ko lanche bi oko page 19 was oduru say on indecisiveness no it is say or twi bicycle no group people no sania mahama so hu de enye enye ono na campaign o ka che agenda 111 hospitals na you see here no said useless. That is the word I will use your campaign platform actually was ko nyina say agenda 111 hospital ye wia ye kwa ye to mo oba complete ni nyina governance is a process and what the culture say agenda 111 seems to be complete 35 a year now yen sample to record say oko baby a you fairly be under hospital you Chips compound nurses ni small facility enipa kwaja ya show ye correct trade kokoben and aboko na ye 95% complete enemi ni kasa nka oya ade bi mama ankmani bechi nka obe show the videos afari no one share near my ye yes ni anyim say na road elidu ko a problem NDC foto no mtugu amanfo ani no na say ye parliamentarians ko ho ye de yakọ DKM na me sha ase tamane ye project a district biayen me na J Dr Keskin ene Nkwampa ena Abubada ye nipa 5 DKM sponsor ye ko each district MPP project ye no ye ni show no video na ni amanyo se to de bia na bibia be o ye mapa no obi ti a chire jiska ni jaye. Hospitals, me say it was 95% complete. Yenyi ni TV so mo bia hu. Baby doctors bet na facilities e wo de ye adwuma OPD nyina na say NDC for say no mu twa antro ba abemo your madwe say ko bem na you operationalize and come. You can commission something without operating it. What again? O commission bi me ba ti. O commission bi bia. Enye chencha say commission bi na nipa nya yi o. Anasa bi afia yesi ayetenam no senior. When the so senior feel complete and finish bi bia wi a okum. Ukoma gradually now ye near na finishing touches what do you come and enter usu feel we are oboso the necessary things about my life I comfortable feel on we entu on na patches ni near my why na free completed house say NDC for Gina Ghana for home pa enya adada ni atron on the bar bema and can for hospital na ye no TV so ama Ghana ni bia hu anya bia say o say ya yenko asefua okọ eko video OPD mpesiwo machines ho a enen ka se NDC senye abro no mo yanko betima employ doctors ama OPD aye adwuma ena me no example nurse ni bi otie me kra chips compound etimi ye adwuma gi ayaresa how much more afaria everything is 95% complete. So what is Crowd telling us? And I think mo kra mo buy and mo ka kire say sebi it was irrational say nyansa semni ade nyansa semni he say then I say I'm happy so on the presentation okay said that idea alone boring do agenda 111 we appreciate it but man panyin kire simple so chief political point say the power ka say papa and then there is akwa 35 and this 35 no most of the 35 they say the boss no are 95% complete say yes clearance our political internal wrangles one why we president di we release funds ma ministry man ko ye oh no adena ibeba ato forcing adena we release funds ma minta kando no ntimi fanya recruitment man this is squad for ko ye
recruit me na say recruit na say about 16,800
Jesus Christ
16,800 one thing am for crack say o say
uncle be say oh
I don't want to interject but
what's the problem amount time
16,000 oh me say 16,000
yes 16,800
to me they are at various stages when they apply to the portal one thing was some necessary because say portal no crab say emie bi nka
V1 portal na me V1 no
na V1
portal we view ones
no o say sound education offer the power here sound police or say the Ghana for e fi a no the person we ni e be a voter region e be no one day Asante region 2 days upper east upper west northern e be 3 days you be na what to go ma wawuram say you to work as Ghana for show me say na me say Ghana for what is abai say or funders for Ghana nyina na what be say abai ka sa na mo baba mu ka say na go ko sia na so mo kan pato wo baba mu no o ka tell na so for baba for we say ka say be for maduma na to no say no for ka say o ti say for maduma backlog am jan ho backlog am jan ho and we started working on that crowd let's not go there which and throw tire Ghana for nurses for what's for 16,800 oh they say they say your system be is away you want come here tie portal tie for ku ya say portal no crop yes mo room na say for nurse
yeah group na mo employee
oh 2019
2019 employer nti mo
be of you na mo uti for me na mo jagu ho mo backlog am ja o yes I want the rest to look at you and plus say you no be power mo dey let's finish what catch next for so be mo move automatic post am mo ba ko edwuma no ya edwuma and then buy mo so mo nko portal nti Ghana for hwe atro ne na da mo de buy in any way ma mo hwe NDC crop bi o musu man no they promise
I mean set
Kwamenkwantapisa
2016 NDC are buying M5 nurses bia that is established 2025 almost for 13,500 and almost from nurses and midwives but 2016 there
also for 16,800 your crowd, you mean how many asante?
Yes, I mean patient.
Then oh, probably America, many crowd yes here. It's not my time. No, 16,000 offer. Midwife say the call. Ghana Health. Oh, no, details. What is details? It's for police and next week. Family Ghana for 16,800 Ghana. Okay, Ghana Health profile say.
I don't know. Almost be a porter, so you are
porter. Now view once
you apply. They are challenge.
And you challenge. We see a view once. Who be and one on IP address never be.
Yeah. But 2025 no more recruitment. I don't know what official website of Air Health. But 2016 2026 there.
2025 and that was last year. Next year for over 13,000. Isn't it?
13,500.
And you know credit. But in any case, what's it on the statement say? All Babemon was say Abemo Bafalness for Juma. Granted. And you were 8 years. You had 8 years in power. What do me father was saying? Give me the figure. Let's say
backlog. Ben for time. Why?
What was our backlog? The backlog was caused by NDC. Now you caused by the let's put it on record. Let's put it on record. Backlogs are when now NDC the cause here. No, wait. 1 second. Backlog will always be there. There will not be yeah, 2021, 2022 for and also I'm going to go because we hesitate 2025 January and I'm hesitate and tell me some backlog on us because there will always be there wasn't
all kinds of idea from
no meaning to backlog don't worry so 2021 2022 2024 January 2025 the name continue for backlog. So 21, 22, 23, 24. So everyone say we nurses across the country 2,000. You left a backlog of almost 16,000, right? You also understand. There's a backlog on the giant. There's one peso. Nurse phone teacher for if you be a backlog. By your logic, then I understand. And you also from them. We giant 4 years of backlog.
Me that's it.
We giant 1 years of backlog. 2012 you never employed. 2012 this was in power. 2013 this was in power. 2014 this was in power. 2015 this was in power. We get backlog for good 8 years. What are you saying? No. Check between 2020, 2012, MDC came to power to 2016. Adam Muhammad Frabem necessary. So what you say for one, you just have backlog 8 years. Atamils Muhammad backlog of 8 years. What is completely false, you know. You know.
Say NDC backlog, Mami Chim. MPP time, yeah, teacher training college. Yeah, nursing no. There was something. It's a automatic posting. Mobile number chairman. It's automatic posting. Mobile chairman 2012. Mobile bem. That was it. A 2 year school
established way. You know.
They make a change. Daddy, me want to me. Enti dey make can say Ghana ni bi a show ye na no pay Sompa enim say ye ka adada NDC. It's just political points that must score with agenda 11 because mo catch Ghana nyina mama Hama ka say it was useless. Are they useless? Na dey there na asasa mo so be complete 35 and me dem anu see no. There is not a single hospital or Ashanti regional NDC sha see we but MPP ye shebia see we na ye conso agenda 111 aferi boko ena traded it was 95% complete. Ya commissioner and count person mo family party said the dada na so be family pana committee for humanity. NDC is not an option. Ghana for you name say we are throwing ada African politics man. NDC me ko wada roma mesre new Edubiase constituency say me ami nua Kwame Dugan erade had ma Sunday and omo to omo ba no on the current youth organizer or say Kubim or Munyami Kwame Dugan Adoye or the number 1 on the ballot was then you to be asked for and Sanfa Kwame Dugan Embra Medas Minia. And also that's say me that number 1. Oh no very intimate.
All right 05489191 0551931931 0548931931 0551931931. Hello, good morning.
Nana Nkwantabisa, the longest name.
My boss, how are you?
I'm fine.
Hey, Jiraye.
Nana?
Aha, I feel that I'm talking.
But I say, I can see
the taxi driver.
Let me say, I'm a driver report. Okay, Nana, I'm a Miriam Namishia with Bempa. Or your incoming chairman who shares me as Antuma Kuka Ake. Now, say Krobia in your corner of the case to the Cate MPP Ashanti region Omanya Waha President Mahama and send our campaign say who campaign there and Trokakra and an Okweka Kran it was a Krobiano and Trokakra and Okweka Kana and the Winimo. Again now one can once now be say and the Koyana say President Mahama and this number to us one. Me akwesi what taxi driver make say there because President Mahama na emu no so omo ya ade na omo gusu ye kra mi ni meji aji say ya ade na siwo am do aye wi ansa na meji adi enti aje na 111 na President Mahama ka so beto aso no me akwesi wa omo tun to aso akwesi ya makra
me da ase akwesi ma Barbara time ni ya yi de ma me nye birthday sinifio na I'm sorry and Monfanche minimum style so kakra MCR monya nitem na me sorry so member na so happy birthday to Nancy Adusei Opoku at Kumasi. So Nancy, today is your birthday. Happy birthday. Nyame show don yo kese. Nyame enfomfra dum kwa dum. Nyame mo brohono enko so anye kese. Today is your beautiful day. Today a superstar was born. Nancy, you are blessed. Have a blissful birthday. And happy birthday to Rebecca Afriye. A special happy birthday to you, beloved sister Rebecca Afriye Boache, a devoted member of Eshia Mount Olive Methodist Church. I celebrate you as your life stands a beautiful sermon of peace, grace, and selfless kindness. I pray that the heavens reward your gentle heart with divine health, soul, deep peace, and a long life of abundance. From Nana Pepra. So, Auntie Rebecca, happy birthday to you. Nyakupo Shao, no nyoke sibebre. On that note, hey, working on the abantem. Oh, baby, do the abantem. Your first media, you know, is your dance sports for a room.